My name is Manujay Karya Peruma. In today's lesson, I am going to show you how to do stick welding. We will start from a very basic level. So if you are an absolute beginner, this is a good starting point for you. If you are a new student, make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end without skipping. So let's get on with the lesson. Okay guys, you need to have the following tools and safety equipment at least in order to do this. I got here 6-inch grinder. Also you need a wire wheel, wire brush, chipping hammer, pair of leather gloves and safety glass. Right here I got auto ducking, welding hood. Also if you want you can use like regular welding hood too. That's what you need basically to do this. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you 5 different methods to travel in the welding rod. The diagram you see here show the path of the rod under each method. As you move in along the base metal, you move in the rod from side to side, this side to side distance. You should at least be 3 times the diameter of the welding rod. That means I'm using 1/8 welding rod. 3 times mean you need 3/8, just like this. Now you can see in this video 3/8. That's what you better view your welding rod when you traveling. Also remember this guys, when you traveling the welding rod along the base metal, make sure you apply a gentle and even pressure. Do not put too much pressure. Also do not keep your welding rod in the air like this. Touch the metal, it should be a gentle touch. Okay guys, right now I'm going to show you a little bit about my machine setup today. Right here you have to put stick mode, and right here I got my welding rod holder. It goes to plus, and right here I got my ground. I'm using my machine running at 120 amp 1/8 welding rod. This is how first method look like. Now I'm going to do the second method. Okay guys, right now I'm going to do the third method right here, this one. Okay guys, right here I got my third method. Right now I'm going to do the method number 4 right here, this one. Alright guys, right now I'm get done my fourth method. Right now I'm going to my fifth method, the last one. Alright guys, right now I got done all the 5 methods. Out of these 5 ways, I personally recommend number 1 and number 2. But you can decide which ones you are going to use. It's up to you, it doesn't matter. You can use all of these technique, but personally I recommend going straight and go side to side like this. These two ways are I recommend personally. Alright guys, now we finished basic lesson of stick welding. If you are a new student, make sure watch this video beginning to the end. If you think this video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching.